Welcome back, guys, to another day in Christine's Jamaican kitchen. As you can see, I am all alone because somebody said they have school project to do. But hey, I guess she's not eating today, hey? But anyways, today I'm doing some coconut chicken pasta. But before I get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. You need to do so right now. And that notification bell so you can be notified as soon as all my wonderful recipes are available. This is all my ingredients that I need for my dish today. Allspice seasoning. Can't leave my Maggie out. All-purpose, black pepper, salt to taste. I'm doing some garlic powder, oil, scallion, garlic, thyme, onion, coconut milk, spaghetti of your choice, lime, vinegar, of course your seasoned marinated chicken boneless breast. Okay guys, let's go wash our hands and I'll be right back. Okay guys, while my pot is over there preheating, I just wanted to show you how thin of a slice I did my chicken breast, my boneless chicken breast. You can see I sliced them really thin. Okay, and we just want to give them a little color, not a lot, just a little bit, just barely. Okay, so let me just add my oil to my pot and then we're just gonna slightly brown our chicken slightly, just slightly giving it a little bit of color. Add oil. Kind of just take your seasoning, your scallion, because I have my scallion, chop up my scallion really fine. You can see scallion, garlic, onion, really fine up in there, because you want your thing well seasoned. Turn my flames back up. You want your thing turn up. Jamaicans would say, turn it up. Smells so good. You're not gonna get all of it off, but as much as you can. Alright, this is how you want it to look before you add you're gonna add the rest of your seasoning. So I'm gonna just add this. And I'm gonna put the lid on. I added half a cup of water to it and it's just simmering right now. You can peep right in. So while the chicken is simmering, I went ahead and put my pot on for my pasta. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some oil to it because it's boiling. So add your oil. I'm just gonna put my pasta in. Gonna do the whole thing. Turn my chicken off. Take it off the flames. If you needed to add more water to your chicken, you can, if your chicken needs, you know, more water. So we're gonna have our pasta cooking. So when the pasta is finished, then we're gonna move on to the next step. Ready for the next step? See my pasta already cooked and drained and sitting. Add your coconut milk. Kind of lumpy a little, so you just stir. Of course, I'm gonna catch some water in here and rinse it out. What would I say? Wash it out. I'm gonna drop some on the ground. Oh my gosh. Waste nothing. My granny that say. We're gonna add some seasoning to your coconut milk. Thyme. So I kind of just pick just that little part of the thyme I want, but it's okay if the sticky part, the stick part goes in it, no problem. Nah, kill you. You do it all the time, right? When you cook chicken and pork or whatever. I'm gonna cut up a piece of garlic in it, a peg of garlic in it. Add some salt. And of course, I'm gonna put a little bit of my Maggie in just to add a little bit more seasoning to it. You know what I mean? Add some salt and Maggie seasoning, a little black pepper to my coconut milk, and it'll boil up. As you can see, turn the flames down a little. I'm gonna add my chicken. I'm gonna put my lid on for around 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I am ready for my spaghetti or pasta. Let it suck it up. Let it suck up all that good juice. There you go. I'm gonna go in my fridge. I'm gonna get some cheese and I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese on the top. Hands are washed. Hold up, let me get you a plate. Yes guys, my dinner done and my dinner ready. So you see, I did the coconut chicken pasta and I sprinkled some cheddar cheese on top. Yeah, and of course, these are the green things you see going on up in there is my parsley flakes. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So good. Chicken, flavored, well cooked. Man, this is the bomb. The bomb, the bomb, the bomb. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Try this recipe. Just don't take my word for it. Try this recipe. And you will definitely see what I'm talking about. But guess what? I'm going to my dinner right now. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.